Hey, good afternoon, America. This is Evan with Honest Abe Roofing, America's favorite roofing company. Coming at you live from Terre, Haute, Indiana. Thanks for tuning in. Really glad you're all here. Wanted to talk to you about what we're going to be giving away this April. Free gutters. That's right, free gutters. It ain't no joke. One lucky contestant's going to be getting gutters given to them. All they got to do is go to the link above, fill out their information. If you would, go down below, show us some love. We'd really appreciate it. Share it with your friends and family. Everybody deserves a chance to win. There's going to be a lot of rain coming out of the sky, and it's not only important to keep the water out of your house, off your heads. We need those gutters flowing properly and getting the water out away from the foundation of your home. All you got to do is fill the information out and then stay tuned. Towards the end at the end of the month, we will be doing our drawing for the one lucky contestant. So once again, stay tuned. We'll look forward to seeing you. Be blessed and have a great day.